Hi everyone, in this video I will give you an overview of a course where I will show you how to work with Gemini models in a practical and powerful way. So let's start. What will it contain? So the first part will be context management and preventing something what we call amnesia. And in this part we will learn basically how tokens and context windows actually work. We will talk why models lose context over time. We will learn what if and how to use a save point to compress and clean your project history. We will use a save point to make a memory migration into a fresh session, and we will talk about basic API key usage to work with models. And basically in this part we will talk about how to keep model sharp even in a really long or complex workflows. In the next part we will talk about virtual experts. We will learn how to create stable AI personas. We will know how to design a critical mentor persona. We will know how personality sys works, and we will talk also about how to make your expert portable between tools and environments. So by the end of this part, of course, you'll be able to create entire teams of AI specialists to stay, for example, consistent and focused. And the last part is vibe coding and working with the unknown. In this part, I will talk about iterative error correction, about also AI reverse engineering, and we will learn how to analyze long PDF files and videos. And what will be needed to take part in this course? Basically Google AI Studio, because all the time in every video I will show example from the Google AI Studio, so you can recreate that and it will be easier for you. Also, in some videos I will show some examples with Python, so it's good to have basic Python knowledge, for example, how to run scripts, how the loops works, how the API works, so it will be also needed if you want to take part in this course. And by the end of the series you will know, of course, how to work with Gemini in a more structured and professional way. If you feel interested, you can of course leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.